very special forest. So it's dangerous to get there.
Buongiorno.
The damages of the earthquake of 2016 were so wide.
I'm Vera. And this is Aldo.
Yay!
And this is our tiny home on wheels, Toto. We have been driving around the world for the past 4 years, visiting over 50 countries on 5 continents. Witnessing with our own eyes how beautiful, but at the same time how fragile our world is. Click on the subscribe button and join our adventure.
We just arrived in Norcia, and basically I didn't know that the damages of the earthquake of 2016 were so wide, and still today, after almost 5 years, they are still doing the repairs. We just passed in front of the main square where there is the entrance of the church, which still stands after the earthquake, something that reminds us of the Parangaricutiro church in Mexico, where the village underwent volcanic eruption for 9 months, but the front entrance of the church remained intact. And it's quite a big damage here. We are walking around the medieval town, the old medieval town, and we can see that a lot of shops have relocated outside because obviously all the interiors, everything is broken down, and they are slowly recovering after all these damages.
We're in Castelluccio di Norcia, surrounded by the mountains and enjoying the views of the beautiful Mount Vettore and this massive plain. Many years ago, this used to be a glacier that melted into a lake and eventually dried out into what we see today. Right now, it's a planting season for lentils, and this is what they are doing, the locals, which, by the way, are known to be the best in the world. Tragically, behind us you can see the old town of Castelluccio that was hit in 2016 by a massive earthquake that destroyed this town, and from 150 inhabitants that used to live in here, only 5 remained. We're going to a very special place. It's going to be off a climb, but it's well worth it.
Toto is there. There.
It is a very special forest. What do you think, guys? Wasn't that nice?
This is my favorite part. Going back. Downhill. Una rana sulla strada. Togliamola perché qualcuno può schiacciarla. Mamma mia, grandissima. Forza, esci dalla strada.
Wow.
Dai. Dai.
Prendi qualcosa. No, non toccare, non sai.
Non pensi sia velenosa.
Non sai. Ma è grandissima io.
Un occhione. Dai. Qui. Dai.
Si è mimetizzato.
Dai, ti vedo, non fare finta che ti vedo.
Aldo, forse ci conviene di prenderlo?
Devo toglierla da qua.
Sta dormendo io.
E non stai bene qua. Mo ti muovi, lasciamo così. Dai, vieni qua. Dai.
Mettilo in terra,
Dai, vieni qua.
perché può andare dietro di nuovo. Wow, è grandissimo.
E guarda, non ti voglio fare male. Ecco qua. Dai.
Ma è incredibile, non ho mai visto una rana così.
Tranquillo. Tranquillo che ti mettiamo qua. Non andare per strada. Vai. Ecco qua. Stai qua al sole. Ciao. Prima l'uccellino. Adesso la rana. Qua gli animali in Italia si vogliono suicidare. Bisogna fare attenzione, se si vede un piccolo animale per la strada, fermatevi, spostatelo, aiutatelo perché potrebbe essere ancora vivo. Siamo appena passati ad Amatrice, era uno dei borghi più belli d'Italia, ha distrutto tutto il lato vecchio lì, ho visto, mamma mia. Non c'ero mai stato e non avrò mai il piacere di vederla così com'era perché il terremoto l'ha distrutta, non lo sapevo. We are at the Gran Sasso National Park and it's nothing better to get the water right from the producer, the mountain.
Very good.
It looks like someone else is thirsty.
As you can see, there is a huge stop sign right here and we cannot go any further. We wanted to go to Campo Imperatore in the Gran Sasso National Park of Italy, but unfortunately it's closed. We wanted to see the spring flowers in a beautiful plain surrounded by the mountains, and we met one local. He said that they will reopen in May, and most probably there is still snow and they close it due to avalanches, so it's dangerous to get there.
Okay, that road is closed. We could have made a U-turn, but you know, there is this little road here on the side, even narrower. Let's see where it takes us. In Italian we say, non cambiare la strada vecchia per quella nuova. which translates in English, don't change the old road for the new one. Sometimes that is not the case, like what happened to us now. In fact, we ended up in this beautiful area hidden between the pine trees here at sunset. Back in the distance we can see the Gran Sasso Mountain. That's our spot. Vera, what are you cooking?
I'm cooking spinach with eggs.
Is it just ready, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah. Here in this beautiful place. That's where we're gonna camp tonight.
So peaceful and quiet, huh? Beautiful.
It's not long since we woke up with the sound of these barking animals. We thought at the beginning they were wolves, like a pack of wolves coming close, and we got actually scared. Bera was in the car and I was ready to jump in, and then it was 4 hunting dogs that just roaming around the mountains here, barking, maybe training. They have this collar with an antenna, maybe GPS. And then there was this rabbit was running from the top of the mountain to this side, and then we see them chasing to the smelling the scent probably of the rabbit. They were not interested in us. They came close as
They're hunting dogs.
hunting dogs, yeah, the classic hunting dogs with the big nose and brown and black. Very
Running
beautiful.
like crazy up and down the mountains.
And it didn't take them much time to get up there. Well, so that's how we start the day today.
Beautiful, beautiful experience.
Let's have breakfast. We are in Roccaraso. We just arrived. It's not the best weather, but I think we found the camping spot for tonight. Right, Amore? Are we gonna stay here tonight?
Definitely. With such a beautiful views over the mountains, Roccaraso. It's just spectacular. Also, everything is closed. The pass, the way to get here was full of snow. So there are no cars around, nobody's around. So we'll take advantage of this quietness and tranquility to enjoy our wild camp.
And also now the sun is in our face, so we cannot properly enjoy the snow-capped mountains there.
Tomorrow, yeah.
Tomorrow morning the position will be better. So, and it gives a sunny day. It's now cloudy. It gives rain for the next 4 or 5 hours. And the Toton is a good wash, so nothing better than a strong rain. And
Natural wash, yeah?
Yeah.
Natural shower.
a free car wash.
Mm-hmm.
So that's it, yeah. We're gonna camp, set camp and stop here for tonight. See you tomorrow.
Una vista a 360 gradi, bellissimo.
Good morning.
Good morning.
This is our view from the window this morning.